All right. One two one two two two. Oh. All right, everybody. How are you? Yeah. I have this pending order in the pound USD, of course. Boom, and boom. There you go. And looking into this possible US 30 short, long. I'm sorry. For the open. Good morning, team ABOB. Eyes dog. Good morning, everybody. So I'm gonna place this on the US 30. Let's have a look. Uh-huh. US 30. Where are you? I said, where are you? US 30, SPX 500 here. Should be here, US 30. So going to the 5 minute chart, let me see where is it that I'm gonna check it. Of course, my entry is on the 3 minute chart, going to the 4 and 5 minute chart just to look at the exact level. So here you go. I'm gonna take a 0.20 30% risk. Uh, um, it's a buy limit, of course. Here, with a stop loss below the lows, and I am going to target these highs for a drawn liquidity. That's what I'm looking for. I'm looking for a liquidation of the lows, liquidation of all this, lows, and then I move towards my targets. Let me see. Yeah, that's a beautiful setup. If price at the open goes higher, that's fine. I'm gonna keep my entry. I didn't notice how much of an R was this. That's a, I think that this is a 3.8 R or so. How is it going, bro? It's going fine. US 30. The US 30, here we go. No. 75, 90. Risk is 0.3% for me. Boom. Let's go. So that's it. Um, I didn't trade the Japanese yen today, and not trading gold either. The Japan is. Where's the U30? Oh, here it is. Oh boy. So let's wait for the casino open. And whew. That's the idea. That's a 5.9 R or so. I like it. And on these, on the side of the short side here on, the GBP US dollar, what I'm waiting for here is quite simple. Here, boom. Right now we have that trap. All of this is trap. Previous broken highs. All right, hold on. That's the trap. All right, let me just that's the trap. Then I want the liquidation of these weak short players here, trying to get in short at the retest of the previous broken lows. And like this, bam. Yeah. And that's it. So we are 6 minutes away from the open. Ugh. Oh. Okay, so any questions, guys? Good morning, JG. Ah. Let's have a look at some other markets. Gold. I got stopped out of break even yesterday on my gold longs. That's fine. Not trading gold today. The pound, the Japanese yen, creating somewhat of a reversal at these lows. I really need a break of these highs in order for me to consider go long again the Japanese yen after those few losses. S&P 500, nothing. I mean, today was a very boring trading day. Just look at this range. There was absolutely nothing going on today. With U.S. oil, should we? No, we shouldn't. Really nothing going on, mates. 5 minutes until the casino opens. That's right. People gonna rush. People gonna rush. Yeah, nothing going on. Not even on the FY strategy side. I'm gonna show you about the FY. That's pretty cool. There was nothing going on really. It's still volatility. Remember, we are fucking volatility hunters. Maybe this one shoulda, woulda, coulda. Australian dollar. So let's start by looking at here. Nothing really fucking going on. Nope. I'm gonna remove all the drawings though. Nothing. That was a great one yesterday. So if you notice, gold had an amazing F1 strategy set up yesterday. Yeah. All right. So the F1 strategy, it's a strategy I developed. I invented this shit. So basically, what we use is we look for very, very, very strong trending markets, either very strong markets or very fucking weak markets. As you can see with the lines on my chart. With the lines on my chart, mates, I can see whether a market is very strong or very weak very easily. And that is the whole fucking idea. Oh man, there's a ton of mosquitoes here. Hold on. Yeah, it's mosquito season here in the tropics, mates. It sucks. But you get used to it. I don't know if you gringos would get what standard, but it's fine. I use demo account to test trades and strategies. Many of your trades hit stop loss, and after that, back and make profits. So did you check trades and maybe find way to make stop loss better? Now, I trade. I mean, I don't know how many trades you back tested made, but yeah, I'm not modifying my. I'm not. I am not modifying my strategy at all. My strategy is perfectly profitable. I mean, I back tested it, and my sample size is hundreds of trades wide. So, yeah, I'm not modifying my strategy. You need to stop focusing on the short-term traders. I'm not sure. So this is the F1 strategy. We use true divergence, right, to pinpoint our entries, and we use our lines here as stop loss and targets. And this was gold yesterday. All right, yeah, pretty cool. All right, let's wait and see what happens here. So, waiting for the pound USD. Oh, the casino just opened, guys. Let's have a look at the U30. Ooh, we got that liquidation, baby. Come on. Let's see if we can get filled on this. The New York session just started 1 minute ago. Let's see if we can get filled. Yeah, I love it. I love it. All right, guys, this is looking good. What's the buy limit, bro? Here, about to get bomb. Come on, feel me. Field long, US 30. There you go, sniping that entry. Sniping the shit out of my entries. Let's see if this is a real sniper trade. I am digging the trade. Bam, bam, bam. I mean, it's quite interesting what happened because this is actually what my entry model is all about. Guys, this is what you get with my signals. After the break of the highs, the break of the Asian session highs, pretty simple to catch, direction in the market. This is a sweep of the lows. This is a true break of the highs, true break of the structure, true break of the structure. And every time here we got weak players trying to jump in long. Now this is not, we're not out of the woods just yet. I'm just saying that all of these players have to be liquidated in order for us to get filled long on the true. My targets, mate. My targets. Yeah. My targets are here at the highs. This is looking good though. Moving to stop at break even. When I'm sorry, I'm not moving to break even. Yeah. So let's have a look at the pound USD. We need that. Oh shite. We need that. Move to the upside here. I don't know how much I'm risking. Same thing, 30%, 0.3%. Yeah. So far away. All right, let's see if we can get that move. Hola, qué guapa. You want to see my girl? Vení. No. She don't wanna. All right, so back to entry. Back to entry. That's okay. That is just okay and fine. This is a make it or break it trade in the sense that the setup is optimal, right? And if we break with the lows, that's fine. But if we get, just have a look at this big ass inefficiency in the market. If we get filled on this gap, I'm gonna take half off or 70% off and move stop losses to break even after the fill of this inefficiency. This is a big ass volatile move at the open. This needs to get filled. Remember, markets need to price themselves efficiently in order for them to work as they normally do. All right, so GBP USD, very slow. My focus is here on equities on the US 30 though. All right. So, any questions, guys? If you don't have any questions, oh, that's fine. Stop loss, and my stop loss is below this lows right here. So this. Ooh, we got a here. We have a big order block here. So that's the entire point of interest, guys. This is the entire point of interest right here between these two. Let's see if we can encounter buyers. At this level, we do have the order block, we have the gap, we have liquidity grab, we have everything. So that's the three main things I look for. I get in at the beginning of the gap always, so sometimes my trades are going to draw down on me a little bit. But that is fine, mates. That is absolutely and utterly okay with me, if you know what I mean. If you know what I mean. I'm gonna talk like a Chicano today. This show is going to be about the U.S. market, ese. you know about that fool. You know about that fool. You know, I've been rewatching Sons of Anarchy lately. I love that show. I fucking dig it. Oh, and you know what show I just finished? I just finished The Bear. One of my true, one of my true favorite things to do is to cook. So yeah, I'm a mean cook, I have skills, and that show is just the best. Eh? It's just the fucking best. All right, so we have a great kind of a reversal candle here. That doesn't mean much, right? It doesn't mean much, but it does mean that we got a liquidity sweep here on the lows. We mitigated that order block at the center. This is my entry model, right? Yeah. I don't move stop losses to break even too fast because that's reacting to price, and I don't do that. I would have gotten stopped out of break even by now. I could move my stop losses here below these lows, mitigate my risk to half, but won't do that either. Let's see how the S&P 500 is trading. The S&P 500 also did the same thing, guys. Now, the reason that I didn't trade at the S&P 500 is because I didn't have the setup, the gap here, and to be completely honest, that threw me off a little bit. But the Dow was a spot-on setup. Sons is one of the best shows ever. Definitely my top 5 of all time. Yeah, definitely. Sons is amazing. Yeah, do you think that he survived that last scene, and we will get a new? Apparently, they did a spin-off of Sons with the Mayans only, but I haven't watched that, and I don't know if it's true. All right, so going to the 1-minute chart here on my MT5. Let's have a look. This is looking good. Good. This is looking phenomenal. Yeah, so I'm good with this. Either I get stopped out at break here, at a loss, or we make money. I mean, that's just how the market goes, right? All right, so here we go. Now, heads up here to the US dollar bill, yo. So if the US dollar volatile gets too volatile to the downside, I'll just delete my pending order and just focus on this Dow long for the day. Mayans is decent, but nowhere near as good as sounds. Yeah, I mean, without that, chemistry they have. Yeah. All right, I'm gonna go. I'm gonna go pee. I'll be right back. I'm gonna go pee. I'm gonna leave this one here. Oh. All right. So where are we? Okay. So I'm just waiting here for that spike high. U30 looking decent too. Oh, talking about looking decent, right? I'm fine. I'm fine with what's going on the US 30 side. This is a high probability setup for me. Sometimes setups or levels are not going to hold, guys, and that's okay. It's all about the math long term. It's all about the math long term. That's fine. To me, this is a make it or break it. Again, we have a ton of inefficiency here to the upside. All of this liquidity has been taken out. All of the weak players in the market have been taken out. Here is the order block that created that break of the structure. So this is where I want to get in long. Right now, GBP USD about to get triggered. Yeah. If I get stopped out, I get stopped out. That's okay. Yep. Bro, gold. Let's see. Yeah. Yeah, gold moving up. I'll possibly try to catch that, mate. I will possibly try to catch that. I don't have a setup though. Yeah. So the US30 broke with that my level, if it breaks with the London session lows, I'm out. That's okay. I will try. I mean, if I get stopped out, I reckon I'll try longs a little lower right here. Point of interest. I'm gonna grab the entire thing from yeah, I reckon I'll try this if I get stopped out, right? Should be my trade for the day. There you go. All right, guys, so if you don't have any questions, I'm going to log out. Yeah, I have a ton of things to do. I'm very busy. As you already know, you might realize that. I don't know. And I will see you guys tomorrow again. Um, Going through a couple of momentum setups here, so I'll keep you guys posted. Thank you. Cheers.